So once again, I heat that seam up so that it'll be easier to work with. This is a little row into travel iron, and these are the wool mats, and we have all of those on our website for those of you that need a resource. And when you do use your travel iron, remember, don't push here because this little handle will fold down in there because it's a travel iron. It'll, if you push on it, it'll break it. So keep your weight down here. And if you need to tie string on the end or put some tape or something on the end to remind you to hold it here and not here, something to remind you, because it could happen. You could even have a guest in your sewing room and it happens.
Or yourself. You've done it.
You can do it. Your guest could do it. A grandkid could do it. So, but we do have resources now. There's a place in Colorado that will fix your travel iron if you do that. So that's nice. So if you need that information, Mr. Steve can help you with that. Just email him. Remember, squareandsquare.net is the teaching website. You can go in there and get all past stuff and class this morning and all that. And because, you know, when we do these and they are live on Facebook and YouTube and stuff, you know, if you have a lot of posts, then they get pushed back down. Now, there is a little area where you can go in and tap and see all the videos and pictures and stuff. But a lot of people don't realize you can do that, and they have to scroll back and look for it and all that. So if you know, you can just go to squareandsquare.net to find your videos. Then it just makes it really easy. And if you sign up with your email and put us in your address so it doesn't go to your spam, then you'll get notifications about our classes and activities and promotions and all of that. Okay, so there those are.
Do you have patterns specific for pre-cut jelly roll strips of 2.5 inches?
I do not have any patterns that are for pre-cut. Now, we did do some of that in Quilt Club Week. I think in 2020 or maybe 2021, we worked specifically with pre-cuts. But, I mean, if you think, this is squares and strips. Almost everything we do is a 2.5 inch strip. So those jelly rolls are just your strips that you sew around. So it's just kind of rethinking a little bit. Okay, so we're working on 4 blocks. I have 2 here already with sides, so I need 2 more with sides. Then I'm going to put sides on 1, 2, and I should have 4 over here that will be my short sides, and I do. So we're done with those until we cut them. And these 2, see how these have the sides on them? If you watched this morning, you saw us do it with 1 flying goose. Now we have 2 flying geese. So part of what you're seeing here is what we taught in the with firefly. So if you understand what we're doing here, then when you move into the firefly with the flying geese and half square triangles, then you'll already be ahead of the game. Oops, that's a little piece. That won't necessarily work. We'll use that one.